Hello everyone, this is Eric from WC Solar. Today I'm going to show you the parallel setup of the solar system. This is a 30 kilowatt, 60 kilowatt hour system. It comes with 6 pieces, 5 kilowatt hybrid inverter in parallel, and 6 pieces, 10 kilowatt hour lithium battery in parallel. Firstly, connect the systems according to the user manual. Connect all the hybrid inverter with parallel cable. Connect this inverter and this battery with communication cables to CAN 485 and BMS. This battery is master battery. The other batteries are slave battery. This is a parallel cable. Start connecting from master battery, link out, linking, link out, linking to connect all the batteries. All negative wires from both inverter and battery connect to this cable bar. And all the positive wires from both inverter and battery connect to another bus in this box. Select the 2 hybrid inverter with longest distance, the first one and the last one. Interconnect this position with jump cap. Secondly, set up the hybrid inverter. Press enter. Select 27. Select parallel. Select single phase. Enter. Select 17. Select lead. Enter. Select 38. Select BMS, select on, escape. Do the same setting on the other hybrid inverter. After setting the system, now we can start it. Before starting, make sure all the switches off, batteries off, inverters off, PVs off. Now start from the master battery. Press switches 3 seconds. Now it starts. The battery mark display. The run indicator flashing, while the slave's battery only flashing the run indicators. Turn on the off on switch. Turn on the inverter. Wait. Turn on the PV. Now enjoy it. Thank you.